Ever wondered why blood collection tube come in different colors? Well, let's decode them today. Hello, I'm Dr. Shruti Desai and today we'll see what each vacuum contains and what tests they are used for. So to start with, what is a vacuum thinner? Well, you can see it. Vacuum thinner is a blood collection tube which has this vacuum seal that draws blood into it, so it reduces the risk of exposure. It is a closed system. First, we have this red vacuum thinner. It contains no additives, but sometimes silica particles are present which help in clot formation. Then it is used for the estimation of biomolecules of serums such as electrolytes, liver function test or renal function test parameters. So next we have this green vacuum thinner. It contains heparin. It inhibits the thrombin formation and hence it prevents clotting. It is used for ammonia, carboxyhemoglobin and insulin, but it is also used for parameters such as LFT, RFT and electrolytes. Next we have is this grey tube. It contains sodium fluoride which inhibits the enzyme enolase of glycolysis, and it also has this potassium oxalate which acts as an anticoagulant, and this tube is used for glucose estimation and also lactate. It can also be used for glucose tolerance test. So next we have this lavender tube. It is also known as EDTA. EDTA because it contains the additive ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. It prevents blood clotting by chelating calcium, and this tube is mostly used for hematological samples, for example CBC, ESR, and also for molecular testings, for example COVID-19 samples. It is also used for HbA1c. Then we have is this blue tube. It contains sodium citrate. It binds to calcium and prevents the blood clotting. This tube is mostly used for coagulation studies, for example APTT, that is activated partial thromboplastin time, and PT, prothrombin time. It is also used for INR. So next time you pick a vacuum thinner, you know what's inside it and what test it is used for. Hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.